experimenting because I just got my new 5D Mark IV camera. So bringing lots of cinematography and just a little bit of fun. Hi everyone, my name is Clarice. I want to welcome you to my channel. If you have subscribed to my channel, I want to welcome you back, and if you haven't already, I want to invite you to subscribe to my channel because we do a ton of great DIYs every single week, so make sure that you tune in. I have some awesome news for all of you. I will be, this year, 2018, I will be continuing my wedding series DIY. It was so popular and you all loved it from last year. I have tons of great ideas. I have lots of ideas for my own wedding, but mostly I want to do DIYs to inspire all of you. So for our first one for 2018, I want to show you different ways on how you can bring some bling bling to your wedding. Again, all of my wedding videos don't have to be for weddings. They can be for any other occasion, or they can just be something that you can all use for yourself. So let's get going to this video. Our first bling inspo will be out of these shoes that I literally got like 10 years ago from Wet Seal. I don't even know if that store is still open, but these were like $10 US, and I got a whole bunch of them, the red one, the white one, the pink one. Every single color, I bought it. And so I dug up the white one in the garage, and we are upcycling them with these beautiful embellishments that I got. These are such good quality embellishments, and there's so many different kinds. I put the link down below if you all want to see that. It's from Totally Dazzled, and there's just so many different ones that you can use that it's just really a matter of picking what you like and your style. So I actually had to try a couple on, and in the end I got this beautiful pearl, which was actually a brooch. So I just took one of my pliers and I took that out. It came out very easily. I used a glue gun here, but I really suggest using maybe E6000 glue to secure that on so that they don't fall off on your wedding day when you're walking down the aisle. I had to put on a smaller embellishment in the end because, you know, the bigger the better with the bling, and they just look so gorgeous. Next idea that you can bling out is using this pin. This one is actually my favorite one. I don't know what it is about this one, but it's just super special. And I got a ribbon just from the dollar store, and we are going to be tying a knot on that, and we are going to do two just to secure it. Also, we're going to take a glue gun and we're going to secure that in the back so that it doesn't move as much. And now you can put this on a chair, on some vase, or whatever decor you may have. You can even put it on some very simple bridesmaid dresses or your own wedding dress if you want to bling it out even more. And I just absolutely love this one because it has the mini jewel hanging from the bottom, and it's just so cute. Loving it. For the next bling idea, I went to Michael's and I bought this foam ball. This is about 8 or 9 inches. Now you can get this from the dollar store and they have it for only $1.25, but it will be slightly smaller than this one. So I used a bunch of brooches and I just took my time to take off all of the backings on them. I can't tell you how many pieces I used exactly because it all depends on the size of the ball that you use, but I probably used up more than 80 pieces. That totally includes the smaller ones that you are going to be putting in those spaces that the big ones don't fit in, such as this one. So use the tiny ones to cover that up. You can also use the tiny ones to embellish some place cards or name cards to put on your table. These make for absolutely gorgeous bouquets if you want something more permanent, or if you just want them as decor pieces. They just shine like no other, and they just look absolutely breathtaking.
I don't know what it means, but there's a smile upon your face, and I see something shimmering in your eye.
How do you like that bling for you? I mean, that last one right there is ultimate bling bling, and it just shines so much at nighttime. Any of these that you will all use will just totally shine at night. I want to thank you all for watching. Let me know in the comments down below which one is your favorite, and also just give me a big wave hello. Add me up on my social media, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you loved it. I will see you in the next one. Bye.